What is positive thinking? What is the effect of positive and negative thinking? How to make our thinking positive?
For those who are troubled, for those for whom family is everything, for those who seek guidance on family matters, and for those for whom family matters. Here in Atma Darshan, we bring to you Atma Darshan's YouTube FM, Family Matters.
Robin Sharma, the author of the book The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, says, every day around 60,000 thoughts run in our minds. And some other expert says, of these 60,000 thoughts, 60 to 70% of the thoughts happen to be for some unknown reason negative thoughts, and they steal away our energy. What is a positive thinking? It is our ability to see the brighter side of any reality. Why positive thinking is so important in our lives? The first reason is our thoughts shape our health. As we know, our thoughts are charged with energy. Negative thoughts produce negative energy, and positive thoughts produce positive energy. Negative thoughts cause stress, the immune system becomes weaker, the dysfunction of digestive system, etc. Whereas the positive thoughts produce higher immunity and higher ability to face any kinds of allergies, and people with positive energy are able to solve their problems better, think clearly, and find solutions to different realities in their life. Therefore, Buddha says, we become what we think. Secondly, our thoughts shape our personality. Successful people in this world are not just those who are born in great families, who have high education, or who have great talents, but people who can think positively and act positively. And therefore what we see is that our thoughts shape our feelings shape our actions, when they are repeatedly done, they become our personality. How to think positively? The first step to think positively is don't fight with the negative thoughts. When a negative thought sets in your mind, don't fight with it or try to push it out. On the contrary, replace that thought with a positive thought. So instead of fighting with the thought, we are replacing that thought with another thought. We may also do so by breathing in the positive thought and breathing out the negative thought. Secondly, give your mind a positive thought to chew. Focus on your God-given beauty and qualities, generosity, compassion, kindness. The more we think and more we meditate on these qualities, we become like that. So keep telling yourself, instead of saying, I want to become good, I want to become clever, tell yourself, I am good, I am beautiful, and I can do that. Further, when the fear sets in that I am not able to concentrate and do something, tell yourself with lots of courage, I can do it and I shall do it. We can do something when we think we can. And third one, fill your mind with positive gratitude. St. Paul says, give thanks to God in all situations, positive and negative. See the brighter side of the negative reality and be grateful for that. Then we don't have any negative thoughts left in our mind. And in conclusion, let us remember, no poison can kill a positive thinker, and no medicine can save a negative thinker. Thank you and God bless you.